add functional style to your home with interior wood shutters. Most homes that are built today have been equipped with a lot more windows than houses of older generations, which have left homeowners needing a way to keep their privacy but at the same time, keeping the style of the home. Many interior designers have suggested to homeowners that they invest in interior wood shutters to place on their windows. These interior wood shutters add a lot of style to the home while at the same time giving the homeowners the option of letting the sunlight in or closing the shutters up to have a bit more privacy. There are many types of colors and styles of interior wood shutters that homeowners can browse through to see exactly which ones would be the most compatible with the decor of their home.